everyone, I believe you are all great. There's a command in CAD we call hatch. You can find it on the draw toolbar. This is the symbol of hatch. It says it fills an enclosed area or selected object with a hatch pattern. You can see it there. Also, you can type in hatch command to get it. We are coming to hatch these graphic communication symbols you see here. They are very simple to execute. Before we can do that, we need to have an enclosed area before we can hatch. So we go to our line and it says specifies first point. So we start anywhere on our drawing sheet. You click next point. We are drawing a 500 millimeter line. The next point 500, you enter. Another point 500, you enter. And then it's asking you, do you want to close or undo or next point? So we click to close it. You finish drawing your box, so you escape for the line command to be inactive. So we have a square drawn for us, right? This is our square. I need you to select the square you've drawn. So you select by doing this, or you select by what we call cross window, going back. So we are selecting our box. I click here, then I drag over, so I select it. Now I want to copy this so that I can have 5 different boxes up here. So you go to the copy tool, and then it's asking you specify base point. It means where you want to click on the object before you start copying. I want to click this corner here. So I drag it. You click, you use your left mouse button, you click to paste. I click, so that's my third box. I click, that is my fourth. I click, that is my fifth. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes here. There are also 5 other boxes we need to get down. So now I'm coming to select the whole thing. Then I go back to my copy tool. I specify this corner. Because I've selected the whole thing, all of them are copying. Then I click here. When you finish, escape, so that you have only 10 boxes. Now let's go to the hatch command. The shortcut for hatch is H, enter. So I say H, then you enter. It opens the hatch command for you. Let's look for the block symbol. It could also be for brick. So let's look for that. Let me escape and let's start the hatch command again. You say H, enter. Different things open for you here. Click the arrow down here so that you can see all the hatch types. What we are looking for is here. So AR-B816C. There are different types of it over here. So so let's choose this. Then it's asking you to pick point or select. It says pick internal point or select object. The internal point we want is here. So we click it once. It comes. Then you escape. So your hatch has been done for you. The first hatch has been done for you. Let's go to the second hatch. So you still say H, enter. It opens for you. Let's go and look for this gravel. So you click down here, scroll down, down, down till you find gravel. You select it. You click in the box. Then you escape. It looks so tiny that you don't really see it well. So you click on the hatch. the properties of the hatch opens for you. What we need to change here is the scale of the hatch. Let us change the scale of the hatch. It's set at 1. At 1 we don't really see it well, so let's change it to, let's say, 5. Then you enter. When you change it to 5, you see it's changed, but then it still does not look so big to me. So let's change it to 10. Then you hit the enter button. Yes, I would like to see it a little bigger, so it comes this way. Let's use the hatch command again. You say H, enter. This thing is called earth. This over here is called earth. When you are doing drawings, anytime you see this symbol, that is earth. So we say H, enter. Let's come down and then look for earth. Okay, I think earth just came here. And click in the box. When you click in the box, after you press escape key, it's already hatched, but it looks too small. So you click on the hatch again and you come and change the scale. The scale is a bit too small here. So let's see. Change it to 5 and let's see what happens. You type 5, then you enter. It's changed, but it's still too small. I prefer it becomes a little bit big. So change it to 10. You enter. It comes a little. You can change it to 15 or 20 depending on how big you want it to be. But please place it at 10. So back to 10. Enter. This is called angle. So let's look for it. You still say H, enter. You come down here. You come and look for angle over here. You select the box, then you press the escape key so that the hatch command is inactive. It's still too small, so you click it. Come and change the scale here. The scale, I think, is a bit too small, so let's change it to 10 as we did for the others and see. Yes, so now you can see it. This here is a symbol for concrete that has been cast. You can also see it in the hatch buttons. You say H, enter. Let's go look for it. It is ARCONC, concrete. So select it. You click it and then you escape. We have it. These are all hatch patterns, right? So what I need you to do is, using the same hatch pattern, go and fill these boxes. This is called sand. AR, sand. That is the symbol of sand when you are drawing. This is line. Mostly metals are represented like that. This is wood. There are different types of wood here in the hatch pattern. So you look for it and then you fill in. This is site work, grass. So look for it and hatch. And this last pattern here is glass block square. So you look for it and then you infill. It's very simple and we can all do it.